In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and send bulk emails to your gallery visitors. Now to get started, we'll go into the Marketing tab, open up the Email section, and click Bulk Emails. At the top of the bulk email page, it allows you to select whether you're sending a standard email or a cart reminder email. The only difference between the two is that if you select cart reminder email, it's going to add a different item to your template list here. Now when you open up this page, you can either start from a blank sheet like it currently is, or you can start from a template from within this list. The top templates are custom templates that you've created yourself, and the bottom templates are just samples that we've created for you. So for example, if we wanted to send a type of a holiday discount sale, we could select holiday discount, and it would put in a template for a holiday discount sale. Let's go ahead and modify this, say weekend sale. And then down in the template, we can change it to be anything that we'd like. So instead of in celebration of this holiday season, we can say in celebration of this glorious weekend, we would like to offer you a limited time discount on such and such. Go down, make sure the rest of the content is how you want it, and then you can scroll down a little bit farther and select this preview link. And this will show you what it's going to look like in your client's email. After you've previewed the email, if everything looks good, go ahead and select the galleries that you want to send the email to, and then click the Send Bulk Email button. When you click that button, you're going to be prompted to confirm that you're sending an email that's related to your storefront. Just click OK, and it'll tell you how many emails have been sent. If you want to save this email as a template, you can enable the option here, give it a name, and then save your template. That'll make that template available to all of your future bulk emails. You can find it in the list at the top of the page here. For example, let me refresh the page. We'll look at the templates, and we should find the new holiday template right here. And that's as easy as bulk emails are. Simply create your email, select the galleries you'd like to send it to, and send it. If you have any questions about this, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.